Hey, which is another box break of the 07-08 SPX. Show you the hits that we got out of it. Got a green jersey auto number to 825. Got a Thaddeus Young rookie card number to 299. You'll notice there's no jersey or auto. He's a Topps exclusive. Triple jersey for the Pistons: Hamilton, Prince, and McDyess. Got a freshman triple jersey of Michael Conley, AC Law, and Rodney Stuckey. Got a single jersey rookie, Jason Smith. Dual jersey, Deron Williams. Another dual jersey, Brandon Roy. Another freshman orientation jersey of Carl Landry. Got an Al Thornton rookie auto for the Clippers. Got Superman himself, Dwight Howard's autograph. Really nice looking card. And then the last was another triple jersey, Kobe, LeBron, and Tracy McGrady. There we go.